Spice got her crown at Reggae Songfest. But what about the succession?
Do you see another queen in the future?
Absolutely. I mean, there was a queen before me, and now that I'm officially crowned queen, there definitely will have to be another queen after me.
We love you to the moon and back.
I just hope that the queen after me will know, say, it's going to take resilience and hard work and dedication and motivation, because there's a lot of current females out there that is doing good. But I've been in the business for 20 years, and to be consistent for 20 years, that's the key. So it's not about who hot now and who are do them thing now. Let's see 10 years after this, who's gonna remain true and stay consistent. That's where it all lies. Lady Saw did, I don't know if it's 20 years or more than 20 years, but you know, she was the mama, she run it, she left a big gap for me to fill. Me step up to the plate, me did 20 years, that's 2 decades. So let's see after this, who is going to stay consistent, because it's not easy. So definitely they're gonna be a queen after me.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy?
Come on, the routine.
You do this every
Rock
minute,
out,
every
the
minute,
Rock out,
every minute,
the